What's good, guys? How is it going? So, guys, it's been a while, and it's really been a while. I've not been active for like 2 weeks now, and that's because of I was expecting something, and so I thought it was going to come sooner. I was expecting to get like a laptop that was going to help in my videos and also going to help me in trading, and I thought it was going to come sooner, but it started delaying, and I was like, okay, it will come tomorrow, it will come tomorrow, it will come tomorrow. And yeah, that was what took me like the whole 2 weeks of not coming on here to tell you guys about my progress and tell you guys what's going on. So first of all, we got our payout from the fivers or the 5%ers last week. I mean, this is a new week, so that's like 2 weeks ago, last 2 weeks Wednesday. So yeah, this is the screenshot of the payouts, and that's like really the big news on here. We got our payout. So if you've been following the road to 10k in profit payout, then yeah, this is a major update. And we are also trading the account, so our account is not breached or anything. We are also maintaining the standard profit rules and all of that. And yeah, hopefully this new week we get a payout. But of course, as you've seen in the title of this video is not about road to 10k in profit payout. This video is about let's talk forex. So I'll be going over, you know how we do it, I'll be going over one or two pairs. I think 2 pairs will be okay and considerable, because I'm not going to be recording on a laptop because it's not here yet. I'm going to be recording on my phone, so that's going to be like times 5 times the stress. So yeah, two pairs is okay. I mean, 2 pairs, I will not even be trading more than the 2 pairs. So yeah, that's what this video is about. If you are new to this channel, my name is FX Ranky. My name is Miracle, but I'm known as FX Ranky. I document my journey here like fully. I have a series where I document. I'm trying to get to like overall payout of 10k in profit payout, and yeah, right now we are like 200 and something bucks into that. So we have like $9,000 more. So we still have a long, I mean, it could be long, it could not. One payout could just give me all of that. I mean, hopefully. But yeah, that's the goal. 2 weeks. Sorry, I just have to make sure the mic was recording. 2 weeks. We are in like 200 bucks now. I started recording even before I got the profit account. When I was recording on a demo account, I got the prop account, past phase 1 here, past phase 2, and this video, let's talk forex videos are always very important, because before I even show the progress of how far I've gone in the account, I've posted something on here to, you know, let you guys know that. Wait, guys, let me make sure this is recorded. Yeah, so as I was saying, the let's talk forex videos are always very important, because I always come on here and show you guys trade I'm going to take, and like 90% of the trade I've taken in passing my profit account and getting to payout, I documented it here. Before even taking the trade. So that's why these let's talk forex videos are really important and useful. So without further ado, before we do go onto the screen to go and analyze those two juicy pairs, I mean, one could even play out this night. This is a Sunday night, and I'm going to be posting this video this Sunday night. So you might be seeing it on Monday morning, but one of the trade might even play out before you see this video, or as soon as you're seeing this video. So yeah, do not forget to turn on your post notification bell icon so you can be among the first people, and you also get notified whenever I drop this video so you don't miss them. And do not forget to subscribe. We just hit 100. That's something. We just hit 100 subscribers, and yeah, I'm really proud of that, even though I've not been the most consistent, which I'm going to start I'm going to start changing all of that from this week. I know I've said this like countless times, but from this week you're going to be getting 2 YouTube videos and 1 video on TikTok, 1 video every day on TikTok. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the screen. Do not forget to subscribe. I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, and let's go into the screen. Let's go. What's good, guys? Welcome inside of my screen. This, I feel so rusty. This has been a while. Yeah, this is your card, and my phone is very low. Next week, this week, Saturday, by the grace of God, I'm not going to be recording with my phone. I'm going to be recording with my with my laptop. So hopefully that will be ready before then. So this might be the last time you see me recording TradingView on my phone. But for now, we are still going to do it. My phone is very low, so I'm going to be very, very fast. So this is Eurocard, and we are going to go to the month. No, we are going to go to the weekly time frame. The monthly, let me just do justice because I've not been here for a while. So the monthly, as you can see, the monthly, there's not much here. But what we always do when we come to the monthly, if you know, we always just want to check the trend and know if the market is trending to the upside or to the downside. And so far, as you can see here, market is trending to the upside. We had a push, a break, and a retracement on the monthly, which tells us that market next level targets should be here. And then the market is able to break here, we should be getting another level target, next level target at 1.7 thousand. 1.7. Yeah, so that's it for the monthly. Let's go down to the weekly. So now we know that Eurocard is on a buy. What's happening on the weekly? Now on the weekly is a bit complicated because you see here that market is going in an uptrend, but around here you start seeing downward trades, and you can see here this looks like a very clear head and shoulders break, retracement, and market is looking like it's going to drop here. But there's something that you are missing if you think market is going to drop, and that is the respect market gave around here. This is not just an ordinary retracement around here. This is a morning star candlestick formation, and that's very important in the market. So as you can see here, market got to respect this place that market have got in contact with before. Market got here, and then we see a whole weekly engulfing and also a morning star candle formation, which tells us that this market is going to the upside. And then when you come here, you can see that market got here, dropped into here. So there's a level here which I think is going to be identified on the daily, the market got in here, dropped here, and then push. So now on the monthly, we know that yes, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend market. But on the weekly now, what can we see? We see market do this, and then we see market hit here. Where is this? This is in the head and shoulders. So now market hit here. Everybody was buying. Me, I was even buying too. I bought. I analyzed this pair to push up and retrace into here and continue pushing up. But what did we see when the market got to this level? We see that market rejected it. This is rejection. Market rejected the price from going to the upside, and then suspended price and kept it under this level here of contact. You can see, and then market dropped, tried to go back in there again for another push, for another boost to the upside. And what did we see? We see market pushing it down again. So now this is a head and shoulders, a retest to the neckline, a double top in that retest to the neckline, which is more than 5 confirmations on the weekly alone, indicating that even though this market on the monthly is pointing to the upside, we saw a clear break and retracement pointing to the upside. This is also short time a downtrending market because of what we are seeing in the monthly. And then if you can go down to the daily time frame, you are going to see more confirmations that this market is not really looking to go to the upside that much. So as you can see here, on the daily, we have this daily upper level and the daily lower level. And now what can you see here? Market broke out of here. We were expecting this to continue to the buy, but market did not do that. And what have we seen from the market now? we have seen that market has broken back inside of the daily level and have made a retracement to this daily level too. So what do we expect? We expect a drop at least back to this monthly key level, and then maybe we see a buy from there. Because from what we are seeing now, the momentum in which this market is going, which is not enough to push the market to the upside, because the market have tried more than 5 times to go to the upside and it's just not happening. So what are we expecting? We're expecting to see market give us confirmation here, and then we sell to this downside. So we are going to take out a major part of our account around this level, because market can just do this and push up. Personally, I really just want market to get to here, and then I take out what is left for myself. But you can also hold to the downside, of course. So how do we take the sell on this euro card? So now we are going to wait for a very similar, a pattern that we are very familiar with, which is the evening star pattern. So we've already seen this candle form, we've seen this pin bar form. What do we want to see this night or tomorrow? We want to see a bearish engulfing candlestick formation here, and we are going to sell from here, and we are going to sell from here all the way to the downside. Personally, I'm going to be taking out almost everything from the trade if market gets to this level, because I feel like market is going to reject drastically from this level, might even go back to push up in the other direction. So this is it for euro card. I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell. So let's go to the next pair, euro NZD, and this pair, I'm already on this trade for a buy. I've been on this trade for a while. The trade almost got me stopped out for a loss, but the market has turned around now to go up. So we are going to be going very quickly. My phone is 6%. We are going to be going over this very, very quickly. So on the weekly time frame on euro NZD, what can we see? What pattern can we see? So on the weekly time frame of euro NZD, we can see obviously this is a weekly upper level, a weekly lower level. What is the pattern and what is the formation here? Now, this is a very clear head and shoulders that got retested and it dropped. Now, my phone is 5%. It has dropped, but now, after this drop, we have 2 questions to ask. Is the momentum enough to push this market further down to complete more drop, or is the momentum not too strong, and is the market going to retrace from here and push to the upside? So from what we are seeing here, we can see that on this weekly candle, market gave a bullish engulfing here, and this is market have rejected from this level for a very long time, and market is also rejecting from this level now, which tells us that market is not really ready to start dropping. So we might see another push at least up to this level here. So how do we take this trade, since we know that market is going to buy short time or long time to the upside? So we go on to the daily time frame, and on the daily, what can we see? For those of you that use trend line, I use trend line only when it's necessary. We can see this here, and we can see that this is a trend line break and a retracement. What we can also see an inverted head and shoulders. So you can see the left shoulder, the head, a double bottom too. So not just an inverted head and shoulder, it gave a double bottom, gave this long ass engulfing candlestick, and also retrace, giving us the right shoulder. So now, and that's also given us a confirmation on the daily. I did not see this confirmation when I took the trade, but now it's very clear. It's clear as day that everybody can see the confirmation. This is an engulfing candlestick confirmation pattern. So market is even at the right spot to take this buy. So how do we enter this trade? Let's go on the daily, on the 4 hours, our entry time frame, and see how we are going to take the buy on euro NZD. Now, I'm really excited to be back on YouTube, and I just hope this stuff does not, cycle back to the old ways of me coming back and then stay 1 week and go offline for 2 weeks or more. But yeah, you can see this. You can see what's happening here. This is a very clear, and guys, I've always said it and I always say it again. My favorite pattern to look out for in the market is the morning star or evening star candlestick pattern, and what we've seen here is a clear morning star candlestick pattern followed by two other two other bullish candlestick, which I think is it three bullish crow, or there's something they call them, these three bullish candles in a row. But yeah, whatever it's called, this is a confirmation for you to buy. I took my buy from here. Market almost stopped me out. I was less than 2p from getting my SL smashed, but market turned around and now it's looking good. So if you are seeing this video before the market open or immediately the market is opening, buy Euro NZD. TP1 should be around here, and your second TP should, this is like an extension, this is an overextension, but your second TP should be around this level, and then your third TP should obviously be around here. So guys, this is really it for today's analysis video. Two pairs, Euro CAD and Euro NZD. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on your post notification icon. This week I'm going to be dropping a day in a live video, hopefully, and I'm also going to be dropping road to 10k in profit payout. Thank you guys for always tuning in. Peace out.